Hi there. In the last lecture, we learned about operations, plus, minus, multiply, and divide. And we learned that you can enter equations and get their answers, and we also learned about PEMDAS, or order of operations. In this lecture, we'll be learning about variables. Now, the concept of variables in Python is actually quite simple. In other languages, you'd have to do var a is equal to 100, or we'd do something like int 45 or int Fred is equal to 20. But as you can see, both of them gave us syntax errors, invalid syntax. Because in Python, it's quite easy. All we do is we type Fred is equal to 20. There we go. Our variable Fred is now equal to 20. If I tried printing Fred, P-R-I-N-T, Fred, enter, 20. There we go, brilliant. Now, Fred is equal to 20, we created that and we printed it, the value came 20. To create any variable that you want, you write var name is equal to. Then you say whatever value you want to keep it. Now, variables can be numbers, strings, arrays, dictionaries, but we'll get on to that. Let's stick with integers and strings for now. So we can say var name is equal to my name, Avinash. If I say print var name, I get Avinash. Isn't that cool? Now, another neat feature is that variables can be equal to other variables. Let's say I said var copy of my name, var copy name is equal to var name. That basically means, oh whoops, my V was undercase. Var copy name is equal to var name, lowercase v, my bad. This basically means that the value of var name is now equal to var copy name. So if I print var copy name and click enter, Avinash, there we go. So we basically assigned one variable's value to the other variable. It's as easy as that. Now, let's create a variable, number of coins, and make that equal to 200. Now let's say a crow came and he stole 50 of my coins. What would we do then? Well, what you can do actually is with variables you can apply the order of operations. So let's say we're dealing with an integer and that integer's value was 20 and you wanted to add 20 to that. So we had our variable Fred and I wanted to add 20 to it and make its value 40. So all I do is I say Fred plus 20. That's equal to 40. So Fred plus 20 is equal to 40. Now if I wanted to make Fred's value 40, I'd say Fred is equal to 40. And I'd say print 40. But with integers, what you can do is add, subtract, multiply, and divide with them. So we were at number of coins, and a crow took 50 of them. So we'd say subtract 50, i.e. the remaining one is now 150. And we can store that value into a variable as well. So new number of coins can be equal to number of coins minus 50. So if I print new number of coins, I get, whoops, that was a spelling mistake. New number of coins, there we go, 150. Alright, that was a lot taken. Let me just repeat. Now, variables in Python are created through this. You write the variable name, var name, is equal to, you put an equal sign, and then you put its value, hello, whatever you want. And you can print it by saying print and then putting it in its brackets. Awesome. Hello, whatever you want. Now, what you can also do is you can make one variable's value equal to that. So I can say random is equal to var name and then print random. So that would give me var name's value as I've assigned it to random. What you can also do with integers is apply operators. So if I created one variable a is equal to 10 and variable b is equal to 10, or let's make that 20, and I want you to multiply A into B. Answer 200. And you can store those values into a variable. C is equal to A into B. It's as easy as that. Awesome. We've now understood how to apply operators to integers, the variables, storing data in variables, and assigning content of one variable to another variable. Great. In the next lecture, we will be learning about strings and what we can do with them. Cool. I plan to see you in the next lecture. Bye.